Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence 1NT403. This is a bottom pivot assembly that's going to be used on some C.R. Lawrence patch fittings. And patch fittings are the pieces of hardware that clamp over the bottom of the glass or the top of the glass. In this case, the bottom patch fitting, allowing the glass to clamp on the patch fitting to clamp onto the glass, and then you've got this bottom pivot assembly, which allows the door to operate. And this video will serve as visual and dimensional evidence of this item. Floor-mounted, adjustable, free-swinging pivot. Here's the floor portion. Got that screw that holds it. Holds the plate into the, or covers the floor assembly. Let's take that off and get a closer look at it. Have that screw removed so we can take a look. So that's just your cover plate that's there. The bottom spindle is threaded into the base plate, which you'll screw down to the floor. It's adjustable in the sense that its exact position is determined by setting the height with this wrench. There's a couple flattened sides here, and then that set screw set on the angle that's there. Once you have it positioned vertically correct, you'll tighten the set screw, and an Allen wrench is included for doing so. A couple of screws and anchors as well for that. A couple of machine screws as well, should that be a better method of attaching this plate to the floor. Let's get some dimensional properties of the bottom plate. Overall length, about 3 5/8. Overall width of the plate, about 1 3/16 inches. Thickness of the plate's probably about 3/16. Yeah, indeed. When the bottom spindle is flush to the floor plate on the bottom, when it's flush, we've got an overall height there. We could study the spindle dimensions as well. Smooth portion about 1.5 inches. Then the balance, forgive me, not 1.5 inches, about 3/4 inch. And about 5/8 for the balance, I would say. Maybe 11/16. That yoke is cut out on that faceplate so that it can fit down and slide down and finish off the installation accordingly. And then that screw that I removed will go back in. Used with the door patch fittings as outlined down below, the PH10C, the PH11C, the EUR 410. The minimum clearance is 3/8 of an inch, but it can be adjusted 3/16 for a possible total clearance of 9/16, therefore 3/16 vertical height adjustment. 220 pound rated capacity. A brushed stainless cover plate is provided to finish the installation. Okay. Typical item. Now the name C.R. Lawrence is quite synonymous with all things shower door or glass door hardware related, whether it be patch fittings, hinges, gaskets, push and pull hardware. The installation accessories necessary to get all that material installed is all of the material that you'll find in the shower door enclosure catalog section of their website, which can be reviewed at the link below us to the manufacturer's page within our website, where you can pull up not only all the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to all of those catalog sections. And this pivot hardware is likely going to be found in the frameless shower door or shower door hardware catalog section, and it probably occurs multiple times in different catalogs. But as you can see from all those top level categories, they get into aluminum storefront, architectural hardware, architectural metals, door and hardware, ancillary products like weather stripping, glass and glazing, and installation tools to go along with all of it. If you have any questions on the C.R. Lawrence INT403, floor-mounted adjustable free swinging pivot, or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.